Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, Constella.
Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chef B. If you're new to this channel, welcome Wagwan. Make sure you are subscribed down below. For today's video, we'll be using this unit from UNice.com, and the wig that we'll be installing today is this beautiful 28-inch body wave wig. It is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. And so I'm just going to show you guys what the wig is looking like straight out of the box. Now you can wear this straight out of the box like this, but I like my lace to look a little bit more natural, so I am going to bleach the knots a bit. I have a detailed video on how I bleached the knots on my wig, so I'll just share that with you guys. And this is how the body wave is looking. Now I got this wig in 200 flat, yeah, 200% density, and the wig is full, girl. It is full. Now this is how the lace is looking after I have bleached the knots a bit. You guys can see that I didn't go overboard. I didn't leave it on too long, and the lace is already pre-plucked for you, so you literally don't have to do more than that. Now what I love about lace closure wigs is that they're super easy to install. So if you're like new to wig installation or you're not that great, it's just a 1-2 step. So I'm going to be using the Got to Be freezing spray. Oh god, I got tongue tied. And what I do is I spray that on my forehead, not on my edges, okay? Nothing crazy, just on my forehead. And then I take my blow dryer and blow it on there, like directly on the lace, so that it dries. Then I'm going to take my scissors and cut off the excess lace, and then that is almost the end of it. So I prefer this over like full lace frontals for a quick installation and a beginner friendly type of thing, because it's so easy, so quick, and it's just that easy. Then I'm going to take some of my Pump It Up spritz to help melt the lace that I lifted to cut the excess lace. And I'm going to use some more Got to Be freezing spray, and then I'm going to tie it down with a molding wrap. Now you get a molding wrap at your local beauty supply store, or you can get it on Amazon. It's real easy to find. And then I'm going to take some of my wax stick for the flyaways, and then this is just to help the hair stay in place while I either flat iron it or I curl it up. So I'm just going section by sections to make sure that the hair lays flat. And I'm going to take a flat iron because I couldn't find my hot comb to do this part. So I'm going to take a flat iron to help me to keep the parting flat. And I'm going to go back in with the Pump It Up spritz to spray directly on the hair to help with the flyaways again, and also to keep the hair molded in place. Now to curl this hair, firstly I'm going to layer the front, because I sometimes don't like when the front is like too straight and uniform. So I'm just going to shape it up a little bit so that it, you know, shapes my face just a little bit more. Nothing crazy, just taking off a couple of layers in the front. And then to curl this hair, I'm going to be using my flat iron, girl. Yes, I couldn't find my wand iron either. Oh my god, I couldn't find anything at all. It's like everything disappeared. You just have that one moment in time where you just misplace everything. So I'm going to be using my flat iron, a little technique you guys can watch. So if you can't find your wand iron either, or maybe you just have a flat iron at home, you can watch this technique that I'm doing to help get your body wave all the way together. So I'm just going to repeat that in sections until I get the desired look that I am going for. So yes, this is how my curls are looking. And then I'm just going to do a light curl in the front for where I layered. And then I'm going to take a wide teeth comb and comb it out a bit, because I don't want it to look too uniform. I just wanted to have the body wave just a little bit more defined. And that is basically it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of my LA Girl Pro Concealer to put on the parting to help the lace look a little bit more scalp-like to match my natural complexion. and then I'm just gonna rub that in. You don't want to go overboard with this because it can go from looking scalp like to real crazy in just a second. So you want to go very light with it. You don't want to make it look like you got bald spots or anything like that. And then what I love about this hair is it's so free flowing, it's so full, like the hair is super full, like yes. And yeah, girl, this is the end of the video. Like, look how quick we did that. Like, what? So guys, the details will be in the description box down below. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at that's Chev. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, make sure you are subscribed down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. GWAN, big up on yourself. Bye guys.
Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, come Stella. Let me